Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this fabulous hairstyle. It didn't take long using the crochet metal. Welcome. Remember to like, share and subscribe because I'm about to give you some lit video. So here I'm just parting out my hair. You don't have to watch this part, you can skip it out if you want to, but because my part is nowhere near perfect and it wasn't close to perfect, but I did it anyways because I wasn't worrying about any parting. So yes, I'm just parting out the hair and I'm using these little scoochie, what that's what I call or whatever, to do the hair because these easy to slide off so it don't hurt my hair. I like to part it out first because then I know what I'm working with. Yep. I just wanted to make the front at least a little bit perfect with the parting because that's where it matters to me. So I'm there trying to make it perfect as I could. So yes, that's it. So I did the back and I'm about to show you guys how to do it. This is the most important part. So I'm using this braid from the shop, 50-inch. I'm using a little black gel as well as a hair wax. You can use any hair wax, but I'm using black gel, and sometimes I pour a little hair wax. So now I am plaiting the hair to a certain length. You don't if you have natural hair, don't do it that long. I have straightened hair, so I did it that long because while doing it, it's pulling out back, so you go right back to the where I wanted it. You don't have to do it so tight because trust me, my hair was very tight. So I put it to the top. I hold one hand of the hair. I put it through. Yep. I did the same. I go through the middle. I put the same amount of hair. I put it through. Hold one hand, pull the other hand. Make it even, and then I go to the top. Push the needle through the top. I put the crochet in it and I put it through. Now this is how it looks. And then now I plait it inside. You see that? Nobody's seen that. You see that? Don't watch my head apart in it. Look at that. So I'm doing a second one for you. I think I do 4 for you guys. So I'm going to keep my mouth shut and you are going to watch what I did. Yep. Yes guys, this is the finishing look. I love it. I enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell so when I post another video you can be notified. Share it with a friend and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if the comment section is on. Bye.